Good afternoon to all. Welcome to the lecture series 3 Biostatistics on the topic of data. Data means a group of information that represent the qualitative and quantitative attributes of a variable or set of variables. The types of data. There are two types of the data, primary data and the secondary data. The primary data, the data which are collected from the units or its individual responsibility directly from the purpose of certain study or information. You have to collect the primary data to the respective person directly. The secondary data, the data which has been collected with a certain people or agencies are statistically treated. Now the information content, it is used again from records, processed and statistically analyzed to extract some information for other purposes. Mainly in research paper, the review paper is massively collected from the secondary data. The collection of the data. There are several methods of collection of the data. Survey method, experimental method, operation method. These are the types of the collection of data. It is difficult to collect the data about some entire population. A sample collection is usually done by the secondary data only. The procedure employed to reduce and to simplify the raw data is called classification and tabulation. Classification. Arrangement of data into different classes which are to be determined depending upon the nature, objectives and scope of the inquiry. The function of classification. It condenses the data. It facilitates comparisons. It helps to study the relationship under different criteria. It helps for the statistical treatment of the data. The types of classification. Geographical, chronological, qualitative and quantitative. What does mean by geographical classification? Which means you have to separate the area wise or regional. Example, in South Tamil Nadu, we are easily separated from Tirunelveli, Thoothukudi and so on. In chronological data based on the occurrence of the time, because the same situations have happened in different places, but on the classification based on the time. Qualitative, based on the characters or attributes. Depending on every city or every regions, every geographical positions, the characters of the individuals may be vary. The last one is a quantitative data. Quantitative classification means based on the numerical values. Thank you.